Welcome to Bamby Stone. How to calculate your project with off-cut slabs at Bamby Stone. It never been more easier. Now we will be showing you how to do that. Right now we downloaded these vanity samples for this instance, so you will be able to see. It's a very simple vanity which is 2000 millimeters by 580 depth, and I even have a sketch up in here which can be hand sketched up with pen and paper as well. So you have to have a plan first, and then when you go on our website at bambystone.com.au, at the top search box you can write down off-cut, off-space cut, or you can even write it together. It will pop up at the top. If you can't find from here, you can go from Explore Slabs. When we click on off-cuts loan slabs, you will be able to see a off-cuts list with the drop-down menu. This is very important, where off-cuts comes with many different sizes. In our case, our vanity is 2000 by 580. What it means is, with the extra cutting space, we need to find minimum 2030 by 610 millimeters off-cut slab to be able to fit our project in it. Now I go back to the web page. Now from here, one important thing is we have to find something bigger than 2030 by 610. For example, in here I found one which is called Taj Mahal, which is 2400 by 600. When I click on it, it will show us the picture of the slab, which is perfect, and then it also shows the price of that as well. Right now Taj Mahal is a natural stone, and we can go with that one, or we can go ahead and find something else which is tundrolite, for example. Again, another one, as you can see the picture of it, where you can also see the price of it as well, but it says out of stock. That means it's just recently sold. Then we will go and find something else, and we can go back to Taj Mahal, or here we go. Actually this Taj Mahal is not 610. Here we go. Earth Breeze, perfect size, and I think it's very good fit for our project. Now when we find the right product, please go below the page, click on project and product estimator, and if you don't know how it works, you can always watch the video. Now in here it will open up a calculator with exact size of the off-cut slabs with this green frame here, so you have to make sure it fits in it. How it works is very simple. It tells here what the product is, how many units required in your case, because an off-cut must be fitted in one single unit, and then this is the slab cost. This is the templating cost if you still want us to come to your house, do the final measurements and the templating. If you don't want it, you can untick it. Second cost is production cost, where you will be able to see how much cutting it into the shape and size you want very shortly. The last one is installation cost, which starts from $499 and go up, and you will be able to see. And if you need this service, you can keep it, or if you don't, you can untick it for your vanity. Probably it's going to be a very easy job, so you don't need anyone else. Here we go. For our vanity, we need 2 holes for basins and this. So now 2000 by 580. These are the shapes where we will be using. Rectangle, click on it. You do have already ready texts where you can choose, and then it will give you some ready sizes which you can use or you can change. In our case, our vanity is 2000 millimeter by 580 millimeter. Let's have a look. That's correct. And as you can see on our vanity, front is visible and exposed to the people, and left hand side and the right hand side. So based on standard stone thickness, this is how it looks like from the top. This is the back. For the front, we will apply pencil edge profile, left and right pencil edge profile, and click draw, which will be giving us exactly how it sits on this off-cut slab, as well as how much this project will cost us picked up from Bamby stone, excluding installation and templating. Right now it's pretty much finished, but I'm going to put the basin holes as well. When we come back to the shapes, click on circle, and when we click, it automatically comes as well, but you can type it in as well. When I click basin hole, 80mm is the standard basin holes, and you can put right there. And then second basin hole, you can put it right there as well. Right now, pretty much it tells you how much this project will cost you. Positions of them not important, because if you like to go ahead, we will still ask you for exact position of them from center, from the back, and from the left and the right. Same for this one as well here. So you will provide us, we will confirm, then we will go into the production. However, if you already selected templating cost, we will come to your place, we will measure it up, and during that time we will know where these holes will be placed. Right now it's all good and done, and if you finished and if you are happy with it, now you can click on generate PDF, and then please write down your details. And if you do have any notes, you can write it down as well. And when you click download PDF, it will allow you to download the PDF version of this estimation with the drawings you already made. And if you're happy with the results, pretty much after this stage, you need to send this PDF file to us via sending us an email from welcome@bambystone.com.au. Let's have a look at this PDF file. What it says is, it tells us when it's generated and everything in details. Please go through detailedly. It just have all the offcuts are listed in here as well. However, the one you selected is $255, and that is the one right in here. Templating cost is 0 because you didn't require that. Production cost is the cost where pretty much involves all these pieces, cutting these holes and making it ready for you. Installation cost is not involved because you will be picking up and installing it. So in this case, this project will cost you $991.19 excluding GST, and if you are happy with it, send it to us. We will turn it to an invoice and we're going to take it from there. Now, that's another many common question. Sometimes these vanities are not really in a standard thickness ones. It can be longer. Let's say in this instance for only front, and let's say it's long and it's going to be 60. When I click on this, and if I click on edit by clicking this pen button, this section in here is for radiuses of the corners, if that's required, and also you can choose the edge profiles from here. Let's say in this project that is 40mm mid-thread edge profile. As you can see, I added it, and also it changed the price as well. And right now we do have a different vanity with a 40mm ticked mid-thread edge profile. So that's how you can define what edge profiles you want for your project. Thanks for watching, and once everything is ready, or if you have any questions, please let us know. We are happy to help. Thanks.